Starbucks and Shorty. We got a hell of a story. A real live Christmas story. Yeah. Take a walk through memory lane. Social media for social change. I don't need 1 million people to march. I need 1 million people to pay attention. And we're going to do this through the legal lens. I never broke the law. I might have skirted the fence, but I never broke the law. Activism ain't terrorism, but I'm going to terrorize you with the truth. I'm down where your money at. Harbor East. All right? And this is my Christmas wish. I told you the 12 days of Christmas. Well, Christmas is tomorrow. Today is Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve 2007, y'all locked me up and charged me with terrorism. Miss Jeon lied to y'all. The same way that y'all did at Midfield, y'all did to me. Miss Jeon knowingly lied to the public, lied to the grand jury, got an indictment, and I never got a trial. So I want a trial for that Illinois case. Now, we talk about jurisdiction. I gave Brandon Scott that information. I gave it to Mayor Pugh. I gave it to Mayor Sheila Dixon and Governor O'Malley. Jurisdiction, Baltimore City, Baltimore County, and Lake County, Illinois. Dred Scott, do blacks have rights in which white America respects? We tore down the statues. Now we're going after the institutions of slavery. I told y'all that when we took down that statue down there at Wyman Park. Now it's called Harriet Tubman Grove. That's the Westboro Baptist Church. That gave him a freedom of speech, all right? And he went to the Supreme Court with that. So I want to go to the Supreme Court too. Activism ain't terrorism. That's me and Annie Chambers. And that's me and Towson. Told y'all I was making a movie. And you destroyed the evidence. The state destroyed evidence. You charged me with terrorism and you destroyed the evidence you say you had. And I did it through the legal lens, all right? Community rallies around local activists and businessman owner at the theft of grill. Yeah, the city bought me a new grill to keep me working, to keep me active in the community. You stole my property from me and now I'm still working. It's my Christmas gift. I want my freedom. That's the state. I'm looking for exoneration, all right? That's Kalen Young. He asked for exoneration. That's my paperwork. And these are our representatives, all right? All of y'all in the 2025 session. So I'm looking for exoneration of the Supreme Court. I'm not your Christmas gift. And my Christmas wish is my freedom. You feel me? I want my freedom. And Ivan Bates is standing in my way. I want to go to the Supreme Court. And I want to go to the grand jury. Brack versus Wells gives me a private citizen's right to access the grand jury. You got evidence and knowledge. And President Obama asked for an investigation. You protected white supremacy. You protected Westboro Baptist Church. You're going to have to protect me. You feel me? Everything I done, I did in the light of day. Social media for social change. This is to prove I was making a movie. We're in Harbor East, y'all. Mike! Jack! Can you hear me now? Activism ain't terrorism. I want my freedom. I want my property on Falls Road. I want the money you owe me. And if you don't, like I said, you can't stop the movie through the legal lens. Letters Designed is a movie. I got a lot of people that signed off on that movie. We're going to play that to the grand jury too.